made it snow. She took him to the farm one day. Come on, let's go. They saw cows and horses too. Cluck, cluck went the hens. Mary's lamb was super thrilled to make some brand new friends. Skip and hop, run and play. Fun at the farm all day. Oink and moo, neigh and bleat. So many friends to meet. Millie followed the hungry cows. They said moo, moo, moo. Lambie ran to chase the ducks. Quack, quack followed too. The farmer gave them corn and hay. Thank you, Mary said. Then the lamb rolled in the mud and turned from white to red. Skip and hop, run and play. Fun at the farm all day. Oink and moo, neigh and bleat. So many friends to meet. The sun went down, the stars shine bright. It was time to rest. Mary hugged her little lamb. Today was just the best. With happy dreams of farmyard fun, they slept so safe and sound. Can't wait to see the farm again, where joy